Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what I'm going to be going over and showing you guys is how you can get your live free demo with Nowsite on their new lead generation platform, prospect platform, SalesFlow. And I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can actually do that and have take access and just take advantage of this whole thing to see how everything works for you, how it can work for your business, how you can scale your business up and be successful with this as well. Because they say seeing is believing. And I know that sometimes when people talk about lead generation systems, there's a lot of skepticism that's out there because people are not telling you the whole truth, or they'll say, hey, it's doing what it's supposed to do, but it's not really. So this way, they actually show you how it works, answers any questions that you may have on top of that, and so you have no doubts whatsoever. So that's what's nice about this whole ability to actually have a live person walk you through this. Now, what I'm about to show you right now is not the live demo. What you're seeing right now on my page, on your screen, what you're seeing is just my Nowsite SalesFlow daily checklist. So this is what it looks like in the back office, or not back office, but the dashboard. And so I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get on the live demo for free and how you can take advantage of it and let them know, so you know everything, how to get going with the unlimited leads, if that's still going on, and enhancements and all the good stuff that it comes with the software product and the leads generation system. So with that, we're going to dive right into it. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. One second, and I'm going to show you guys right now. So what we're going to do is this. I'm going to pull up on different screens just how to type it up. So you're going to type in nowsite.live. I'm going to pull this up. This is what it does when you type that up. Pulls up a Zoom, because this is a live Zoom. Now, I'm not going to go into this because I'm recording right now and it's going to mess up, so I won't see anything. So as you can see right here, this is what it looks like if I join with the video or without. It's up to you. But if I join, it still shows it, but it's going to mess up the video that I'm recording right now. So this is actual real live thing. And they let you in there instantly. I want to say instantly, give them like a minute. Instant like a microwave. Like, hey, a minute or two, because they are doing, it's a 24/7, 24 hours, 7 days a week, live demo. So they're, no matter what state you're in, what country you're in, they have somebody for you, different languages, different nationalities. So whatever it may be, you can access this. And if it's for you, for a teammate, for another business owner, you can do that. So it's that simple, and I like it. I mean, the fact I've sent a lot of people to this thing to see how this works, because they're like, oh, it can't be. Because I was even skeptical at first too. But the fact that they have a live demonstration for you to see and to ask questions, even when I'm not available, is amazing. So that's super beneficial. What company does that? Has a live 24 hours, 7 days a week live demo? And like I said, I'm getting it for you for free, so you want to take advantage of this. You can actually send yourself. You can actually do it anytime you want to. You can do it, send people there without you. So like I said, this is the full thing about taking advantage of it. And why they do this? Because they offer a money back guarantee on SalesFlow. If it doesn't work if you try it within 30 days, you can get your money back guaranteed. Still, hey, this didn't work for me. So that's what's nice about this whole thing. So I showed you guys how to do it. Even you can even click the link in the description below, or in the what's called the comment section. That will actually have the link too, so you can get going and test out yourself and ask those questions that you had, that you may think that, hey, they don't know. Maybe it could be some technical questions. Maybe it's be how does this work, or go into, maybe you're very analytical. Maybe you're not. Maybe it's, well, hey, will this work for me in my business? Those are the questions that you can ask to get going and to see if this is even a good fit for you. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is huge, 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 amazing. I love this right here. And the fact that they are doing this for their customers, their potential customers and prospects. So it helps a lot with their affiliates. It helps a lot with people who are using this. It helps a lot with people who just want to be successful. So yeah, if you have any questions or concerns about this, hey, let me know in the comments below, or you can contact me. My number is actually in the description, as well as my social media, so you can call or text me. I'm more than happy to answer those. If you don't feel comfortable calling me, you can text me. I do respond. So if you have any questions, just let them know that, hey, Ryan DePaul called, sent you, and I'll be more than happy to get you going on that one too as well. So with that said, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that big red button below, as well as hit that little bell, and right next to that little bell, hit the all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to see a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You like this last one? You may want to check out this one too, because you might like this one too. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this right here. So if you have any questions, like I said, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Until the next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.